Okay. Hope this was a short video, because that's about all I can do. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E, and it's another weekend when we drop a new video, baby. But this ain't no new. Well, this is a new video to me. Maybe y'all might be new out there. Go like, comment, share, subscribe, baby. And we jumping back on the partial verse. On the burn traverse. Y'all seen the last video? We got a new build. But we still got to finish this one and cross our fingers that she started. We're doing our best over here at Easy's Rebuilds. So let's go take a look. So the garage is getting a little bit better. Don't need that cabinet open back there. Gotta put that grill together, people. These seats gotta go in that car. All these spider webs. Garage get full of spider webs. Need to do a spring cleaning. But here's the Traverse. We got everything buttoned up under the car. I don't want to record all that, so the exhaust is back on the car. The O2 sensors are plugged in. That cross plate is back up under there. The drive axle is back secured. And I'm leaking transmission fluid. So now we have to get the radiator in, an AC condenser. Wish I had another oil filter. I would have changed the oil, took that off, put another oil filter in there while I was at it. But yeah, I think we got everything. Oh, plug in the fans, yeah, gotta get that piece on there. This stuff still, they be tightened down. None of this stuff is tightened down. Still gotta find the bolts to go to the bottom down there. So, let me do what I do best. I ain't trying to make a long video, because I work a full-time job, and I work nights. And I just got off of work to make this video for y'all. So let's see how far I get before I gotta go run my errands. right. The dog on the hunt over there. He on the hunt. All right, we're getting our own done. Ooh, still got a lot of bolts to tighten up. With the burns reverse radiator is back in here, y'all can tell. They got all the fire extinguisher powder. I'm gonna reuse the radiator because the radiator didn't catch on fire. Just the top of the motor, which caught the hood on fire, we caught the glass on fire, caught everything, all the plastics on fire. But the radiator did not catch on fire. Or the AC condenser. But all the lines did. The fuse box did, everything did, but the radiator. Couldn't use the radiator off the parts car because it was broke. Took a hit to the front. Could have used the AC condenser, but this would be fine. Hopefully the computer still work. Computer did get a little charred up. Just going around trying to find all my nuts and bolts. So I got the 2 little tins down there. I had to find them. Radiator support right here. Luckily, those screws are still in there. They just some 10s. Got a bunch of 10s, 13s, and 15s. Slide that on there like that. Put my screw back in there. And do the same thing on the other side. One-handed. But I thought I lost these mounts. I had the one from the parts traverse. But the burn traverse, couldn't find them. Until I found all my nuts and bolts. I found it with those. Okay. I don't know how that pole, well, according to the marks on there, supposed to sit kind of low. Damn near all the way seated. Turn her on down. Don't seat her like. Got my. Oh, that can stay right there. I don't care. Got a bunch of more 10s to do. A lot of these go for the headlights. But it is a brace in there that you got to put on. Yeah, I did see the hood does close, open and close. There's my brace. That's for the bumper. Should go on like so. Oh, snap. Can't do this one-handed. So I'm gonna throw y'all back in a little bit of B-roll. Well, I just put y'all on the stand. And just check. I'm dropping screws. This got screws in it that I do need for the bumper. I want to see how this is gonna go on here. Cause it can't go on yet. Or maybe it could. It's blocking my screws from my headlights. About that, I better get to them. So let me get this put on. There's a bunch more, 3 more tins. And it sits right on up here like this. Nothing special. Let me get these out. Taking all day. Ooh. Wrap these on up. That dog over here acting crazy, people. Put the wrong screw in there. Ugh. Hopefully I should be able to get to that screw that's behind this. Because I can't even put the bumper on yet, because that has to be repainted. Can't finish the front end. Oh! Yes, I can. My radiator support. So, let the action begin. Well, not not the radiator support, the bumper reinforcement. Yeah, bumper reinforcement. Okay. Thought this was a short video, because that's about all I can do. Right now, I don't got no struts, no brakes. I might as well just go ahead and order them. But I just giving her some power so I can get that key out the ignition. Maybe I can go get a key made and program it to this car. So let's see what we know. It's gonna say airbags. I don't got no airbags plugged up, but we do got power, lights working. Oh, smack. These windows haven't been down in years. Oh, snap. Well, that one go back up. Switches need to be cleaned. That one ain't going up with the switch, or might need a new master switch. No, she would. Now I gotta get it went down, but now I don't want to go back up. Might not have enough juice in the battery. I'm working on this one. Well, that was you get one of those builds. But yeah, we got a low battery. But we can take the key out the ignition, because she ain't gonna do nothing. Say, what it say? Got the car locked out. Traction control off. Service theft deterrent system. Service airbag. Service battery charging system. Hood open. Well, I can get the key out the ignition. We got something. We know this motor run. It ran in the other car. And that's the fuse box for the other car. Pretty much everything is from the other car except for the wiring harness. I need to get this key out the ignition so I can get another one made. Set this key where I can find it, right there. Go grab another jump pack. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds, where we like to rebuild cars and cross our fingers that they run. You go copy you some merch at teespring.com. Not like this. We take Cash App donations. All links in the description area below. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!